What's up everyone, I'm Tim. This is my channel 40 Times Around, and today I'm going to tell you guys how I pack my laptop on my motorcycle when I'm on a big trip, so stick around. So we're out in San Diego this weekend. We're actually in Chicano Park. It's a really cool little area underneath the Coronado Bridge. So before we jump into this, let's check that out real quick. Alright, so if you've ever been on a big motorcycle trip and you wanted to carry a laptop, I mean, there's so many things that it comes in handy for. For me, I do a lot of video editing while I'm on the road, so I have like work to do that I need the laptop for. Maybe you work from home, or you just, for whatever reason, you need a laptop with you. Well, you got to be kind of careful about how you pack it. For one, you got to be careful with vibration. You want to make sure that it's not getting shaken around too much, just the vibration from the engine and the road. Also, you want to make sure that when it's in your side case, it's not next to your exhaust where it's getting super hot. Now, on a short trip, a backpack is a great idea for a laptop, but on a long-term trip, that's just not really a viable option. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. Now, I have my laptop inside of a case, zipped up, sealed up, nice and tight. I'm going to actually link to that case in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. And then I wrap that case in a towel just to kind of absorb some of the vibration from the bike. And then I kind of pack all of that inside the case tight with a bunch of my softer bags in there. So, you know, clothing and things like that, anything that's going to absorb that vibration. Alright, so on my motorcycle, the exhaust is on the right side of the bike, so obviously I keep it in the left case. And in here, like I said, I have this tucked in. Packing cubes, by the way. I'm a huge fan of these if you didn't know that already. I'll link to these in the description box too. This keeps everything super organized. It's just a great way to keep your bag organized, your side cases, whatever you call them. So like I said, I got it kind of tucked in here with everything else. I got some clothes in here that's just kind of nice and soft. That keeps it from vibrating too much. Some more clothes on this side. And then, like I said, I have it wrapped inside of a towel here. And then inside that towel is this case, which is a hard plastic outer shell. And then soft on the inside. And that just keeps my laptop nice and tight. Keeps it from vibrating too much. Keeps it nice and snug. So, as you can see, when it's in here, it's pretty snug, and it's tucked in between all of these nice soft bags, so it's really not going anywhere. I don't have to worry about the vibration, I don't have to worry about it breaking, anything like that. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you want to turn your laptop off before you travel with it. Just in case things get shaken loose, you don't want it to be on and then crash your computer while you're driving. So keep that in mind too. So that's pretty much it. That's how I pack my laptop. This applies for any kind of important electronics or expensive things that are electronic. So that's it. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos about motorcycles, camping, traveling, and adventure. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.